Hello friends, I hope you are all keeping fine. In this video, we present to you a variety of rice recipe, that is garlic rice. It can be served as a lunch or dinner with some salad or any side dish of your choice. I prefer to enjoy garlic rice with grape salad. The recipe for the grape salad is already shared in our channel. You can get the link for that in the I button or in the description. So let's get started. First, let's begin with the star ingredient, the garlic. Take fresh garlic and peel them. Then I'm using a mini chopper to mince the garlic. You can also chop it to small pieces. Garlics are known to be highly nutritious and has got a lot of health benefits. Commonly, it is known that the regular use of garlic is known to lower bad cholesterol and also helps to reduce the total cholesterol. I also like to add some vegetables to the recipe. So let's prepare them first. Here I've taken some carrots, peeled and then chop them to small pieces. I'm also adding capsicum, some spring onions and green chilies. You can take any vegetables of your choice. So before we start the cooking, let's prepare them and keep them ready. Many times I've come across people who consume garlic in the raw form just in view of lowering their cholesterol. But garlic, having the strong flavor and pungent smell, is not always the choice for some of us. And also, the aggressive use of garlic in raw form can sometimes result in acid reflux, digestive issues, and bad breath. The best way of consuming garlic is to add them to your diet, either in the cooked form, or roasted, or in the boiled form. And this video of ours is one such recipe where you can incorporate garlic to your diet. And is also a wonderful recipe for those of you in search of a healthy and yet delicious recipe. Once all the vegetables are prepared, let's start with the cooking. Heat a pan or a wok at medium flame. As the pan gets heated, I'm adding ghee. Now into this I'm going to add the minced garlic. Here I'm taking 1/4 cup of garlic for 1 cup of rice. Saute the garlic for 1 to 2 minutes or till it turns light brown. As the garlic turns light brown, let's start adding the vegetables. First I'm adding the white portion of spring onions. You can also replace this with white onions or red onions. Next, add the chopped carrot and also add the green chilies. Now let's mix in and saute them. And continue cooking for 1 minute. Now add salt as per taste I'm also adding ground black pepper. In the meantime, you can also keep the rice for cooking. Take any variety of rice of your choice, but I prefer to go for the long rice. Then into the veggies, I'm going to add the chopped capsicum. Mix in all together and saute them. And now it's time to add the cooked rice. We just have to cook the rice to only 80% so that they do not stick to each other and lose the texture when we further cook them in the pan. Mix in and fold the rice with the other ingredients so that the rice gets well coated with the spices. And now it's time to off the flame. Lastly, let's garnish the garlic rice with some spring onion greens. This gives a nice aroma and flavor to the dish. And here is a healthy and delicious garlic rice ready to serve. Serve hot and enjoy with your family or friends. You can enjoy it with any salad recipes or side dish of your choice. I prefer to have it with green grape salad. You can get the recipe for the green grape salad in the I button or in the description. Do try this amazing garlic rice recipe and share with us your feedbacks. Thank you for being with us and hope to see you in our next video.